I'm a real bitch, real niggas fuck with me. If I ain't sent for you, bitch, then don't come for me. Yeah, I'm getting money, ho, I'm living comfortably. You not a G and took a LY cause you ugly. I'm petty, it's fun to me.
So as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be a clothing haul video. I'm gonna try to get through this video as quick as I can because it's almost 5 o'clock. I have to go get my son from football practice. If y'all didn't know, he's the quarterback. How you doing? So I do have a few items here. As a matter of fact, I have a lot of items here because I went shopping Thursday, I believe, and they had a lot of sales at Forever 21. They had the clearance rack. I had a coupon code. Also at Russe, they had a lot of their jeans 50% off, and I also had a coupon code 20% off of that as well. If you guys don't use the app Retail Me Now, which this is not sponsored or anything like that, I'm just telling you guys what I use. I get most of my coupons from off of Retail Me Now, the app. All you have to do is download the app and just show them the coupon little barcode or give them the code in the store, and that's pretty much it. The reason I'm telling you guys, because you guys are always asking me on Snapchat, where do you get the coupons from? Shout out to Retail Me Now, okay? And Retail Me Now should sponsor me because I've been using them for a while now, and I've been putting y'all on Retail Me Now for a while now. So I'm just gonna start off with some shoes. I got 2 pair of Vans. You guys know I love Vans. My kids love Vans, so I got me 2 pair of Vans, and these was actually on sale. Now I'm probably not gonna wear them. Well, you know what? Yes, I will. I will still wear them now. Because I feel like I can get away with it, even though the colors are like kind of bright. It's probably not gonna pick up on camera. Well, yeah, you can see them. It's like a baby pinkish type of color. In person, it looks like a blush pink, but on camera, it's coming off like I don't know, like a really light pink. It's not really showing its true color. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. That's the true color. If you guys can see, that's the true color right there. So I thought these was really cute. I could wear these with Vans, or with Vans. What? I can wear these with, I have some Vans shirts, so I can rock these with that. And the material on here is kind of like I'm not gonna say suede, but it's kind of thick. So I picked them up, and these were on sale, you guys, for $19. And then I also picked up another pair, and my kids got some too, so they like the checkerboard print. Usually they get them from Journeys, but these was on sale. So how you doing? This pair right here is like a mint green looking color. You guys can see, you can see the real true color right there. It's like a minty green color. I thought these were so cute. I would definitely rock these with a pair of jeans. So I picked those 2 up. And then I went to Charlotte Russe. You guys know your girl loves Charlotte Russe. And when I went to Charlotte Russe, they had their jeans 50% off. So I definitely picked up those. I'm going to take the tags off and just throw it over there. These are some Pilato pants I picked up. They look like this. I love this print for fall. I love this color for fall. This is one of my favorite colors for fall, and I am going to do try on videos. I'm just gonna like pair them with different outfits and do a try on video so you guys can see how they look on me, because I know me showing you guys is nothing, but I know you guys like to see my hauls. So probably next week or the week after, I will start doing try on videos for you guys so you guys can see. These are the pants I got. I'm just gonna pair with a black shirt because what else would I do with that? And then I also picked up, and those were 50% off, so those was like $10. And don't forget, I had a 20% off coupon. This is just a hoodie I got to work out in. It looks just like this with the hoodie. I really do like the thin hoodies to work out in because it's not too thick. It's just gray, long sleeve, and just like this, just a basic shirt. I got that off the clearance rack for like, I think I paid like $4 for it. In total, you guys, I only spent $85.69, and actually I've already wore 2 pairs of pants. So $85.69, and I had my coupon code like I said. These pants right here, take the tags off, are the Refuge Plus. They're just a basic pair of blue jeans that look like this. They're all skinny jeans, as you guys can see, because I do like wearing boots. So I don't like wearing like big wide pants. I don't know, I mean just the pants, but I just don't like wearing wide leg pants. As a matter of fact, every pair of pants I got, I think, is the Refuge collection, and these are called skin tight leggings, jeggings, because these are jeans. These are ripped, as you guys can see. This is how the bottom looks, and this is how they look. I love these. I'm going to wear these like a lot, okay? I got a pair of the skin tight legging jeggings as well. Take the tags off. I really do like these because they're ripped right here. As you guys can see, I really do love the ripped on the jeans. This is how the bottom looks. On these, the bottom are really, really tight. Really, really tight. I remember when I tried them on. And then last, these were $16. These are high waist skinny jeans, but it's still the Refuge collection. They had a pair of denim. I actually might go back and get them because the regular price on these jeans was $36.99, and they was 50% off. So I think it was like 17 bucks, and then I had 20% off each item. So I did do a lot of bargain shopping when I was in there. This is how they look. The high waist at the top looks like this. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. High waist. And then they're skinny. So that's that. You guys know anytime you wear high waist pants, they suck you in on the side. And then I also went to Ross the same day. Oh no, that's a lie. I went to Ross the day before. Well, I'm sure you guys saw on Snapchat. Right here, I got one of my favorite colors for fall. I got a plum dress. Now, this dress ran kind of small, so I had to get a 1X, okay? But this is how it looks. It's just a nice little dress. It's kind of short. It looks long, but when I get in it, it rises at the back. Y'all already know why. Okay, so the next thing I got was, I cannot pronounce this. I don't know if it's camo. I always forget when I'm filming. This is in the color olive green, as you guys can see. I'm going to definitely be wearing these with leggings and stuff like that, with scarves and boots and stuff when it gets to be cool out here. I got a pair of leggings. They look like, these are called, and a lot of you guys are always asking me what leggings I think are super thick for bigger girls. I always get my leggings from either Torrid has really, really good jeans, jeggings. They also have really good leggings. But as far as the leggings, Target has really thick leggings, Ross has really good leggings, and Torrid. But these are the Soho Presents the Perfect Fit, and these are called punty pants. But I always just wear them because it shapes you and firms you and builds you for comfort. So this is how they look. They have like this little design right here, and they look like this at the bottom. I thought these was really, really cute, and they fit me like a glove. Let's pick everything out of that bag, and then right here, you guys. So it's been forever since I was able to get into a romper, but now your girl can wear rompers, honey, okay? So I found this one. I actually was looking for more rompers, but they didn't have like cute rompers. So this is a romper that I got. It looks just like this. This is the color. In person, it's like black with like a peachy peach and burgundy stripes. and it's really long, and it ties on the sides. It's like a wrap in the front. But like I said, you guys will see me in this because I will do a try on video either next week or the week after, and I will show all the clothes that I purchased so far. And then this one right here is a top that I got to wear for fall and winter. I'm gonna wear these with probably some leggings. This is how it looks, like that. It has this really cute print right there. Just a gray shirt, and it comes out kind of on the side, but it's really tight. It's tight around the waist, but the sides, like by your hips, kind of flare out on the side. I thought it was really cute. And then I also have Forever 21. I should have used it as a thumbnail, but whatever. So I went to Forever 21. Now the tea with Forever 21, when I went in there, they had 50% off clearance. So I picked up some jeans, and I thought they was $19.99. When I got to the register, the lady was like, oh, they're 50% off. So I was like, oh, wait, let me go back and get some more. So that's what happened. The jeans were like $9.50. I told y'all be sleeping on those sales. And then I also got like some leggings, which I'll show you guys all the leggings I got first. So the first pair of leggings I got, these leggings was $5.90, and they was 50% off. So $5 and 50% off, baby, you do the math. So this is how they look, just a pair of gray leggings right there. Right here is, I don't just wear black leggings, y'all. I wear color leggings as well. I love these leggings right here because at the top right here has that thick band. Anytime you wear something with a thick band, it like it kind of sucks you in more on like the bottom part of your stomach area. So I was like, yes. So I really like these, and I would probably just pair these with probably like a black shirt, some black boots, or like some, not, I wouldn't do knee boots, but I would probably do like ankle boots with like a black throw on it. So I just think you just can't go wrong. This is how the leggings look. This is how the print looks. It's different from this color right here. See the difference in the colors? This is like a dark gray. This has like black and white like undertone in it. So I picked them up. And then I picked up these brown pants. I thought these was really cute. My phone is going off. I should probably turn it. Let me turn it down. I don't even know. Okay. So these pants right here, I'm gonna wear. I have a bodysuit from Fashion Nova that I've had for a while that I couldn't wear, and now I can wear it. The pants, let me show you guys. They're all over the place. They tie up in the front. They have like, they're brown. Like I said, I don't just like wearing just brown and, blue jeans and leggings. I want to wear like business. They look like this. And actually they're kind of high-waisted, and they come out like this. And what I love about these, they're not like those wide legs that I don't like. These are actually skinny at the bottom, so I really did like that. And then here are a pair of the black pants that I purchased. They look just like this at the front. They have like the zipper, and then the back looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of like ashy on the back. And then this is how they look right here. And they're skinny. I love skinny jeans, as you guys can see. And then right here, if you guys remember, I did a haul. If you haven't seen that other haul video, I will link it down below. I did a haul video. I'm trying to take the tags off. I did a haul video, and I had from Russe these black and white pants with the green stripes. These kind of reminded me of those. I thought these was really cute. I'm definitely going to wear this with this black shirt that I got. That's kind of dressy at the top, and the arms kind of flare out. So I thought these was really cute. I was going to say, oh my God, did I not get my size? This is how they look. And they fit really, really good. They fit like a glove, to be quite honest. This is how they look at the bottom. They're all skinny. Everything was on sale. And then last let me tell y'all how much I spent so y'all can know how to save y'all coins. I only spent $60 for all this stuff. $60. And then I have another pair of the pants, like the pants y'all saw. And these are the blue jean ones. They look like this. And then I'll show you guys right here at the bottom. And they're skinny. I really do like these. They fit me like a glove. So that is pretty much everything. So that's pretty much everything that I got from the mall for my shoes, Charlotte Russe, Forever 21, and Ross. You guys know I love Ross. Ross is definitely affordable. They have fashionable items at affordable prices. Forever 21 always have a sale up in there. Charlotte Russe always have 20% off of $40 when you go inside of their store. Whether they're having a clearance or regular price, you can still always use your coupon. And like for my counter lovers and stuff like that at Bath and Body Works, you can use your coupons in there as well. Your 10 off of 30 or 10 off of 40, whatever. Just go check out Retail Me Not. Like I said, this video is not sponsored by Retail Me Not. I'm just trying to put y'all on, you know what I'm saying, so y'all can save y'all coins, because y'all know on this channel we bought on a budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you guys want to see more hauls, give this video a thumbs up or leave it in the comments down below. Also, thumbs up for a try on video, so I know you guys really want to see that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. They get first news on everything. Snapchat, because y'all know I fucks with y'all. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to become a part of my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You